Alright, so this wig I got, it came, I think brownish color, but I ended up putting like, I don't know if y'all can see, like some brown in the front, and then I dyed the ends blonde. But I'm kind of like over this look, so I'm gonna dye it black. I got some dye, or should I say hair color, because my cosmetology teacher would always say, you dye clothes and color hair. But I got this jet black color. I was looking for the Adore, but they were out of jet black, but the girl said this is a good one too. So I got this one. So I think what I'm gonna do is just do the watercolor method. I got the water running now because I know they said it doesn't have to be boiling, but you want it to be hot. And this is the biggest bowl I got, and the wig ain't that big, so that should be good enough. So I'm filling that up with the hot water, and then I sprayed the lace with freaking got to be, just so it doesn't turn black, because it's only just a little bit of lace. It ain't that much. So I ain't really tripping. But it's fall. I mean, not fall. It's basically winter time, I guess. It is winter. And I'm like over this blonde streak. I'm just ready for black everything. I see I have black nails, which they need to be done over. But I just want everything black. So I want jet black freaking hair. And I ain't got time to be ordering no new wig. So, and this is a body wave wig. So I'm just going to color this. And don't mind those dishes. It's only a few, so it ain't a sink full. So don't be clocking my sink. And I think, I mean, I don't watch the million freaking watercolor videos, so I'm pretty sure you just pour it in there. I'm not gonna pour all of it just in case it doesn't take, and then I can just go through and go through with like a brush. But I need to get something to stir this with. So I'm gonna just leave a little bit in the bottle just in case it doesn't go how I want it to, because I know sometimes if you bleach hair and then put black on top of it, it turns green. But I only bleached it one time, so it's not like I bleached it 50 million times. So I got this, I'm about to call it a fork. I got this comb. I'm gonna just use this comb to kind of stir. Matter of fact, I could use a plastic spoon. Let me put my house shoes on. And I'm sorry, I'm not showing my face because I look real raggedy right now. I have no lashes on. I got my hair in 2 puff balls, and I don't know what's going on. But let me just get a, oh my god, a plastic freaking spoon, and just stir it so that the color can disperse evenly, I'm guessing, and it's not splotchy. This color actually smells good. And I don't know how long you're supposed to let it sit though. And I'm gonna try to submerge it all the way because I don't want it to be like uneven. I want it to be all jet black. So I'm pretty sure that stirred up really good. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in. This is the before. See, it got like, not really blonde, but like a honey blonde ends. And then it's like blonde in the front. And I'm so over that. And I feel like once you take pictures in a wig like this, you be over the color. It's like you don't want to keep wearing it. And that's how I feel. And I really don't like brown hair on my skin tone because I feel like it washes me out. I really like either, if it's going to be blonde, I want it to be like, not platinum blonde, but blonde enough. If it's gonna be blonde, you know, where it's gonna make a difference. But I either like real blonde hair or black hair. If it's like brown, like a number two does not look good on my skin tone. I feel monotone. Alright, so I'm gonna let this sit. I don't know how long you're supposed to let it sit for, but I'm sleepy as fuck, so I'm gonna let this sit for about an hour. Hopefully nothing freaking crazy happens, because I did spray the lace with Got to Be Free spray. So I did spray with Got to Be Free spray, so the lace should be good. I'm just adding some more water so I can cover it completely. And then either I'll come back and show y'all the ending result, the results after I wash this out and blow dry it, or you might see it on my head. Depends on if I remember to pick up the camera. So what do you want? Because that's basically everything at the stove.
You didn't see no sour cream?
It's some nail ladies. You didn't see the nail ladies in the bag?
Yeah.
They sour though.
Come on, like warm.
Okay, well. Next time, come to the store. Let this get brown and nice and fragrant. Okay. Some freaking garlic powder. We're gonna put a lot of that shit up on here because you can never have too much garlic, and this does not have salt in it, so you can put as much as you want. Alright, and I do add garlic salt. I usually don't use regular salt. I usually only use garlic salt when I'm cooking. My stuff that has salt in it. Some black pepper. Some Old Bay. Old Bay is not just for seafood. You can use it on different type of meat, not just crab legs. I'm gonna put a little Tony. And some onion powder. Jarian, can you come put the rails back for us, please? Alright, so this meat looking done. We just need to strain all that grease up off of here. I've been told you to schedule it, but you gotta wait. Don't schedule it until Friday. Tomorrow, Thursday, so one more day. hot right her. And sit down. And let me turn this down because that spaghetti sauce be splashing everywhere. I'm gonna add a little garlic. Oh shit. Damn. Add a little garlic. Boy, I know how to turn my head. Okay. And this is the sauce I'm using today, ragu. Tomato, garlic, and onion. I usually get the meat kind, but I'm adding meat, so I like for it to have the tomato, garlic, and all that. And sometimes I use Prego, but I actually like ragu better. And you know, we're gonna add a little water to this shit, get the rest out. What? Boy, you're not old enough to get no tattoo. You about to turn 14.
14, like
if you with your parents' permission, yeah, but I'm not using my permission to give you no tattoo. You can wait till you 16. But not no damn 14. I ain't never said 14.
I said 15. You said 15.
I don't remember that.
You said you were losing your bed.
I probably was half asleep. Alright, so
You was wide awake.
I'm gonna add a little garlic. A little garlic powder and stuff to this sauce. Some onion powder. I think I'm gonna put the Christmas tree up tomorrow. And I don't know. Oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna add a little parsley too, because you know, parsley just make it look like you just seasoned the hell out that shit. Even though I do season my food, I'm just saying parsley, you know. Once you add that parsley, it just makes it look so much better.
You make garlic bread too?
Yes, Jerry. Why would I make spaghetti with no garlic bread? That's like a sin. Who the hell eats spaghetti but you don't have no garlic bread? She do have garlic bread. But yeah, back in the day, I don't remember her making garlic bread every time we had spaghetti, which I don't know what the fuck that was about. Alright, let me grab this meat. It should be strained enough. I kind of like to press it down just to release all that extra juice that may be sitting in the bottom. And I'm doing this with one hand so I can show y'all. Even though I'm pretty sure y'all know how to make spaghetti. Alright, so that's good. And then we're gonna edit this. Dun, 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 dun. And now the great debate is, do y'all add sugar to y'all spaghetti? That is the great freaking debate of the century. Cause I do. I like my sauce to be sweet. Like even with marinara sauce, which that's basically spaghetti sauce is, but I like my sauce, like even if I have mozzarella sticks, my marinara sauce, I like it to be sweet. So I do just get like a plastic spoon and just drizzle some of it. So don't come in my comments talking about, oh, that's too much sugar. You do you, boo, and I'm gonna do me. Because whenever I make spaghetti, it be gone. It don't be sitting there for days. And what are you laughing at? I said, what are you laughing at? Where your AirPods at? They broke? Yes, they are, because you ain't been using them.
I was using them today in the car.
I ain't see you.
Look at me. Pay attention to you.
I be blasting my shit, you damn right, nigga.
I keep running shit.
Jerry, and I been about that like 3 years ago.
I know, but it was tight. And I was big.
You still big. The fuck? You ate all them cookies already?
I got one more of it. I like those. What do you taste like? It's like dough. Raw cookie.
Oh, you sure be tearing them up?
I eat two of them.
But I'm ready to put a wig on. Like, I'm over my natural hair. And I get like that. When I be wearing wigs, I be ready to take my hair out so I could take my wig off so I can see my natural hair. But then by the time I do my hair and all that, I be ready to take it out. And then with me even with like wearing ponytails and shit, I get headaches so fast. So if I want to wear my hair in a ponytail or something like that, it don't never last because I get headaches so fast. Like, I could smell something and I get a headache. That's one thing I hate about myself. That I'm very sensitive to scents. It can't be strong at all. But I'm gonna take these rubber bands out because I don't have a headache, but I can't go to sleep with these in my hair like this. And I'm like, some people be like, don't put rubber bands in your hair. As long as you know how to take it out. If you taking it out the same way that you put them in, your hair not gonna break off. Now, if you just pulling this shit, which I'm kind of like doing in between, I'm pulling my hair back through the way I put it in. But some people just be pulling the shit like that. Don't pull it like that. Cause see, I do have some hair on there, but girl, I ain't doing no tripping. Even though I have been thinking about doing a freaking big chop. Not a big chop. What am I talking about? Not a big chop, but I know my ends need to be like clip really good. I did do a trim probably like 2 or 3 weeks ago. But I feel like I need to, you know how people, they get their hair flat iron real straight and then they just go from the back and chop it all straight. That's what I need because I feel like my hair is uneven. And then at the top, when I used to wear sew-ins, wherever the top is, like right here, it's way shorter than the rest of my hair. So, but anyway, I need to do my nails because I took my nails off yesterday and my freaking pinky, I don't know if I can see that, but it kind of hurt. But guess what? Put my nails over anyway because you know, as a girl, it's just like you feel like if you don't have your hair done, your nails done. Yes, I have my natural moments where I don't care about my nails and hair, but it's just like I got to have my nails done. But I feel like I'm rambling. I ain't talking about shit, and I'm not about to do shit. It's already like 9 o'clock at night, so I'm just about to do my nails and eat. Then that's it.